Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to migrate your website, WordPress website, to DreamHost. And basically to do this, just sign up, and what you will need to do is click manage on your site, and you will see migrate site option. So you can move a site from another host to DreamHost. So you can explore migrations right there. See migration options, and then you will see automated one, so you can select it. Now you will need to add a new plugin on your WordPress. So just open up your WordPress, go ahead to plugins, add a new plugin, and right there you want to go ahead and write DreamHost, and this will open up. You will see automated migration. You can install it here and also activate it. Now, once you've done that, the migrate your sites to DreamHost page opens up right there, so you can migrate your site to DreamHost. So what you want to enter is your email address. And now, as you can see, you will need a migration key and some other options. So you want to go ahead right there on generate key and click get a generation key, copy it and enter it right there. And now you will need source website password, destination website, advanced options like server ID and name servers, some folders, and some tables. And then you click migrate. And once you will done with that, you will see here it is migrated. So I'm just gonna cancel it because my website is already migrated. But basically that's how you do this. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.